Hello guys, so I promised most of you that I will make a video about margin requirements, okay, whether we need pro leverage or not, whether we need bonuses, okay, how much lot size should you put in the event you have an X amount in your account, etc. So I'm just going to do a quick demonstration on two of my accounts, okay. One of them is MT4 and the other one is MT5. For the MT4 one, I have a leverage of 1:3,000 and I have a balance of $69, okay. And then for the MT5, I have a balance of $294 with a leverage of 1:2,000, okay. So I'm just going to do a quick rundown on how much leverage you need to open a specific number of lots, or rather which lot size you need to put or rather use. So I'm going to start with a leverage of 1:2,000. Let me just head on to my MT5, okay. Let me head into my MT5 and see how much leverage I actually need. So this is my MT5 with the account of $294. I'm going to start with the MT4, okay. I'm going to start with MT4, MT5, sorry, and I'm going to start trading with the Euro USD, okay, Euro USD. So let me say that I'm putting a lot size of 0.01 on Euro USD and I'm selling by the market, okay. I've sold by the market. So what happens, I want you to observe here carefully. You see it has taken a margin of 0.53, right? And this is our interest point. So if a position of 0.01 is taking a margin of 0.53 dollars, you can think of margin as the amount you need to open a position, okay. Amount you need to open a position, okay. How many units do you want to buy and how much are you going to pay for those particular units? So in this case I need $0.53 to open a position of 0.01, okay. Now with this analysis, let's say I want to open 400 positions of these, or rather let's say 200 positions of these, okay. In other words, I'm talking about this lot size, okay. What if I want a lot size of 2, okay. So a lot size of 2 simply means I'm multiplying this by 200, okay. Or if I do cross multiplication, it will be 2 times 0.53 divided by 0.01, okay. Nonetheless, you can just multiply 200 by 0.53, okay. Just need to see how much we need in our account to open a lot size of 2, okay. So we get that let me see. So we have 0.53 times 200, so we need $106, okay. We need 106. Let's say 0.01 has needs 0.53 US dollars, okay. So literally we need for us to open a lot size of 2, we just multiply 200 times 0.53, okay. We get 106 US dollars, okay. So literally for us to open a position of 2 lots, we need $106 in our account. Not that this amount is going to be taken away, but it is the amount that you need to buy this particular units, okay. You can think of it as 1 kg of meat, okay. It takes maybe 450 Kenya shillings, right? What if you need 5 kgs, okay. maybe you can do 5 times maybe 45. You get the point. So literally this is the money that you need to buy these particular units, which is 2 lots. But then something that you need to know is, okay, and I want you to listen very carefully. We are doing what we call pending orders. Okay, we are doing pending orders. Even though one of them is going to be triggered, we still need the margin to open that particular position. So what I'm telling you simply is, this 106 USD, you need to open 2 positions. Okay, this one is for buy and this one is for sell. Okay, even though one of them is going to be triggered, you still need this margin again for this pending order to go through. Okay, so in a nutshell, you need 106 times 2. Okay, that translates to 212 US dollars. Okay, so if you have a balance of 212 US dollars, you can use 2 lot size. I hope I'm making myself really clear. Okay, so in this case, my 294 balance can actually sustain these 2 lots, because of course we have high spreads during news. So this simply means that some things may change. So in other words, if you have $300, it is okay to open a lot size of 2 on both accounts if you are using 1:2000 leverage. Okay, yeah, so I think that has cleared the air, because I know that we have been denied unlimited leverage, and based on this analysis, we don't actually need it, because we also have to protect ourselves in case there is a drawdown. Okay, so I'll be going deeper and deeper just to explain to you how much you need to open positions of different lot sizes, etc. So anytime you are not sure about the calculations, just check, open one order. Okay, open one order. After opening one order, try to check margin requirements, and it's also different for different pairs. After you've checked margin requirements, what you need to do then is you go ahead and do multiplication depending on your account balance. Cheers guys, I'll continue to provide as much information as I possibly can, just to make sure you do understand elements like margin leverage, margin call, stop out, etc. Cheers guys, until next time.